This is Diana project. We are going to paint the whole main floor, all this, but not just painting. We are going to change all the baseboards. We are going to change trims for the new ones. We are going to change light, the vents. We are going to change all these electrics plate. It's a big change. Around here, changing baseboard, trims, doors, locks. We're going to change these locks as well. So it's a restoration project in this beautiful house. Going down there, this hallway. We are fixing all these edges between the ceiling and the walls. Okay, it's going to be done in January.